What's up, everybody? Welcome to Money Moves. Today's February 22nd, and we're going to dive into what's going on today when it comes to everything that involves money. So this is going to be a rather short episode. The topic that we're going to be talking today is about crypto. So the first article you see here is that FTX launches new gaming arm with NFT support. So the crypto exchange giant FTX has launched an NFT as a service product for gaming studios looking to incorporate crypto collectibles in their titles. So it looks like from the title that FTX is now going to be diving into the gaming industry when it comes to NFT. So popular crypto exchange FTX has plans to launch a gaming unit to offer mainstream gaming publishers support for non-fungible token NFT integration and other blockchain powered collectibles. So FTX to provide Web3 operability for game studios. So it sounds like they're going to want the gaming industry to join FTX, and they're going to be a support for them. So let's look along and let's read along and see what else details we're going to find about FTX and their new NFT gaming service. So Bloomberg reported that the company will launch its gaming outfit in the coming months. The so-called FTX gaming unit is set to function as a crypto as a service platform for mainstream game studios. So it's going to want to bring in the big dogs of the gaming industry to work on their platform, which is awesome, you know. And I think this is a major move when it comes to the gaming industry and how it's linking up with crypto and with NFT, which is a crypto exchange. Also, let's dive in some more. So also the service will offer support for NFTs and allow companies to launch digital tokens for gamers. According to the report, the foray into gaming market marks as a strategic move for the exchange in its bid to incentivize the adoption of blockchain technology and digital assets by game publishers. And this is some big news. So Harrison added that FTX plans to integrate NFT, crypto trading, and wallet technology directly into game economies as a massive scale. Crypto Potato previously reported that FTX partnered with Solana Ventures to launch a $100 million blockchain gaming fund. It aims to support game studios focused on integrating decentralized technology. Man, this is crazy. So first of all, I did not know that FTX also partnered with Solana Ventures about their whole blockchain gaming fund. So does this now mean that with NFT is going to have the gaming publishers come in and they're going to build their gaming industry on Solana's blockchain? And if that is the case, are you now going to be buying some more Solana crypto? Because if all these gaming industries are going to be building on top of the Solana blockchain, that means that that it's going to be one of the big dogs in the crypto industry. So this is quite intriguing. So let's read along and see what other information we find. So crypto native companies like FTX borrowing the software as a service model have created customized enterprise-grade blockchain applications that allow mainstream organizations to adopt emerging technology and master demand for contemporary product offerings. And so in the last paragraph right here in the article says, as the metaverse becomes a fixture in pop culture, more companies could be looking to firms like FTX for interactive, decentralized solutions they can deploy rather than relying in their house expertise. So the metaverse, as the days go on, I'm telling you, I'm seeing more and more businesses diving deep and investing into the metaverse. And so now everyone is trying to capitalize on, this on the Web3 when it comes to the metaverse and how people are, it's going to be a way of the future. And a lot of these gaming industries want to dive into it. And, and when it comes to FTX, it's going to be a decentralized version of it. So, man, this is crazy, and like I like to say, what a time to be alive. As the days go by, more and more information is dropping when it comes to the crypto world, and the metaverse. And so, yeah, that was a pretty cool article that I just wanted to bring to your attention. It caught my eye, and I just wanted to read it rather quickly to you. And let me know in the comments of what you guys think. Do you guys believe that FTX is not going to elevate itself when it comes to other exchanges on with them doing this when it comes to the gaming industry? So leave a comment if you believe that FTX is now taking the next step and is actually going to be it's going to elevate itself, surpassing a lot of the other exchanges. So let me know in the comments, and make sure to subscribe and hit that like button. And the second article was rather intriguing, but also kind of sad too. So this is a New York Times article when it says right here, crypto scammers new target, dating apps. So this article talks about how a lot of these scammers are targeting people on dating apps. So I'm going to read a little bit of the details of it, and then I'm going to want to hear your opinions in the comments. So let me know how you feel about this, because after I read this, I felt bad for these people. So check this out. So the man from the dating app Hinge. So I never heard of Hinge, so the man from the dating app Hinge checked all of Thao Vu's boxes. So Thao Vu, I believe, is the woman that was scammed. So he was boyishly handsome architect from China, staying in Maryland on a long-term assignment. He had never met in person. He was still waiting to get his COVID-19 booster shot, he said, but they text back and forth for months, and she developed a serious crush. So when the man who went by the name Z Zhao told Ms. Vu, who works in customer service for a security company, that he could help her make money by trading Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, she was intrigued. So first red flag, if you just meet somebody and they're telling you like, hey, I can help you make some money, that is a big red flag. So let me know what you guys think about that. Like if you're single and then you meet someone and you develop, and all of a sudden he goes, hey, you heard of Bitcoin? I can make you money. That should be the first red flag. All right. So, and then she goes on to say, I heard a lot about crypto in the news. She said, I'm curious. I'm a curious person. And he actually was very knowledgeable about the whole trading process. But the man wasn't trying to help Ms. Vu invest her money. He was entrapping her in an increasing popular type of financial scam, she said, one that combines an age-old allure of romance with the newer temptation of overnight cryptocurrency riches. All right. Within weeks, Ms. Vu 33 has sent more than 300,000 worth of Bitcoin, nearly her entire life savings, to an address that Mrs. Zhao had told her was connected to an account on the Hong Kong cryptocurrency exchange OSL. The website looked legitimate, offered 24/7 customer support, and had even been updated to show Ms. Vu's balance changing as the price of Bitcoin rose and fell. $300,000 she just invested in Bitcoin and sent it over to this. And man, like, that is so like heartbreaking to hear about these people, who, in the name of romance and in love, and they meet someone and then they want to then also hear about making some money. They toss his money because this person is telling them, like, hey, I can make you some money. And then boom, 300,000. Basically, it says her life savings is gone. All right. And let's go along further in the article. Romance scams, the term for online scams that involve feign romantic interest to gain a victim's trust, have increased in the pandemic. According, here we go. about 56,000 romance scams totaling 139 million in losses were reported to the Federal Trade Commission last year, according to agency data. That is nearly twice as many reports as the agency received the previous year. So it's basically doubled. In a bulletin last fall, the Federal Bureau of Investigation's Oregon office warned that crypto dating scams were emerging as a major category of cybercrime, with more than 1,800 reported cases in the first 7 months of the year. 56,000 romance scams, 139 million in losses. Good Lord. All right. And then check this part right here. It's mostly millennials who are getting scammed. And when I thought about, all these people getting scammed, my assumption was it was older people, but it's actually millennials, according to this, Mr. Santiago, who is the Global Anti-Scam Organization Deputy Director. And then he also states here that people are lonely from the pandemic and crypto is super hot right now. The combination of the two has really made this a successful scam. Ms. Lee, whose company works with several dating apps to prevent fraud, said that these scammers typically try to move conversation off the dating app and onto WhatsApp, where messages are encrypted and harder for companies or law enforcement agencies to track. So, wow. It's sad, man. Anyone that you meet online and they're talking to you about investing in some crypto and stuff like that, be very careful. People are getting scammed left and right, as you can see from the article. Do your homework. Invest in those credible crypto exchanges. Be careful who you give your information to, and just be safe. So thank you for joining me on another episode of Money Moves. Just wanted to talk to you about a couple articles that I saw and just want to bring it to your attention. So crypto scammers are targeting people on dating apps. Be careful. And how FTX launches a new gaming arm with NFT support. So that's the thing to be a lookout if you are investing, and also just to be knowledgeable on what's going on in today's world. So anyways, again, thank you for tuning in on Money Moves. It's February 22nd. Thank you. Have a good one. Bye.